Get as cozy as you'd like. Let your breath stretch long and low, like moss reaching across a forest floor. With each inhale, soften. And with each exhale, settle. Imagine yourself back in the hallway of your mind, the one that leads to your safe place. But today, the air smells like rain and earth, like a secret trail only you know. The walls are alive with vines and wildflowers, soft tendrils reaching out to greet you. This is a new version of the familiar, a remembering. You arrive at the door to your safe place. But today, you notice it's made of living wood. Its grains swirl like water, its handle pulsing softly beneath your hand. It's ready for you. You step through, and you're in your safe place. And today, nature has come to meet you here. Maybe you're in a sunlit glade wrapped in warm, golden leaves, or a soft cave by the ocean where the tide hums lullabies. Maybe a tall tree has bent down to offer you its branches like arms, and you climb in. Wherever you are, let it hold you. Let the wind brush your cheeks like a mother's hand. Let the ground cradle your spine like it's always known how to carry your weight. If you're carrying something heavy today, set it down here. The earth can hold it. You don't need to carry it alone. A soft breeze might come and lift the worry from your shoulders. Or you might feel the sun whisper, "You don't have to try so hard." Maybe you hear the river sing, "You're still flowing, even when you feel stuck." You let yourself lean back. Let yourself be caught. Maybe a deer steps nearby, blinking its gentle eyes at you. Maybe a fox curls beside you. Maybe you feel your own soul sit close, quiet, and true. Let nature wrap around you like a nest, a hug, a knowing. Let yourself breathe slow here. If a tear comes, the rain will match it. If a smile comes, the sun will rise to meet it. There's nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix. Only to be. And if you want, you can invite a younger version of yourself here too. The one that needs holding. Watch nature hold you. Watch her soften. Breathe in the scent of pine, sea, grass, or wild blooms. Breathe in the reminder you're already connected. You're already safe. Allow yourself to be held by your safe place in every way your heart desires. Here you can manifest anything instantly. You are the sovereign creator here. Maybe you allow the trees to pick you up and move you from place to place, handing you off from one tree and carrying you to the next, allowing each one to carry you in its own way. Maybe at one tree you feel like staying longer, and climb inside and let all of the arms cover you and hold you, hug you. Maybe you walk over, you allow the trees to carry you into the ocean. And then all of the sea animals take turns playing or allowing you to float on their back. Maybe being silly and childlike. Notice the sensations you feel as you allow nature to hold you. Each one in its own way, helping you feel connected in all of the ways that your soul desires. allow yourself to rest if you need rest. Maybe fall asleep on the back of a humpback whale as it carries you peacefully along its day. Maybe you arrive at a new island or new world or portal that nature guided you to. What would that look like? I think today for me it's this world of almost like little nooks and hammocks everywhere and cozy places that are made from nature to hold me. Breathe it in and soak it in. Maybe you notice the air shift. The water below this place glimmers and then parts. And as you're arriving in this new portal, a realm made entirely of nature's embrace. Here, the trees don't just grow, they cradle. Their branches curl into hammocks of moss and flower thread, gently rocking anyone who enters. Leaves above shimmer in pastel hues, filtering sunlight into warm dapples across your skin. Maybe you see a field of giant dandelions. Their puff tops big enough to lie in, soft as clouds. Maybe you see a circle of mushrooms glowing faintly, creating a cozy gathering space where time doesn't matter. Maybe you see vines that braid themselves into cozy nests you can step into and be held. No questions asked. Then you see waterfalls that pour golden light instead of water. The mist singing lullabies as it lands on your skin. There are trees with bark that hum when you lean against it, reminding your nervous system that you're safe, you're known, you're loved. You look down and you see flower petals that open into soft beds. Each one smells like comfort or like a favorite memory. And as you lay in these soft beds, you look up and you see butterflies the size of pillows that float by, trailing with sparkles and giggles. you stand up and you see stones arranged in spirals that buzz with grounding energy. Just sitting on one aligns your whole being. Everywhere you look, nature is not just around you, she's with you. Every tree, stream, breeze, and beam of sunlight is here to hold, soothe, restore. This world responds to your heart. If you're tired, something appears to carry you. If you're lost, a glowing path appears like it's been waiting. If you're heavy, the land beneath rises to meet you. Here, there's no rush, no shoulds, only presence and a deep knowing. You belong. You can stay in one cozy nook or wander from tree hammock to flower nest to moss bed. Let your inner child play. Let your adult self rest. Let your soul remember. And maybe, just maybe, this place was built from your longing, from your body's whisper that said, please let me be held. And now you are. Take a few more breaths here. And when you're ready, soak in every last visual, vibration, feeling, insight. And turn back towards the door, the hallway of your mind, knowing that this portal will always be here for you when you need to be held. You can go back to it at any time. And when you're ready, step back into the hallway, staying soft, knowing that you're held. And when you're ready, open your eyes.